Now Sophia's painting the roof of the birdhouse for Great-Grandma's birthday in green. And then we have some cute little, I think they call them wood cutouts to glue on. Okay, keep going down the roof. Real good. You're doing a good job.
More painting.
More painting. I know you love to paint. It's not Mommy's favorite thing, but it's your favorite, so we'll do it. Okay, keep going. You want Mommy to take a turn too? Okay. No, this is Mommy's brush.
My brush.
Okay. Mommy's brush to clean up the drips. Okay, keep going. Good job. You're doing wonderful. Good job. Keep going, girl. You want to do the other side? Okay, keep painting. You gotta paint the top. Okay. Good job, Sophia. Great-Grandma's gonna love this birdhouse since you made it.
Ta-da!
Can you say happy birthday, Great-Grandma?
Happy birthday, Grandma!
Good job. Hey, keep working on it. You're doing a great job.
My Grandma.
For Great-Grandma.